Previously on Wandering Wagners.
We have made it to the bison enclosure.
Looks a lot like South Dakota.
Yeah,
no bison.
It kind of reminds me of South Dakota at this point.
She's basically at the top, way up there. Anybody that's watched our channel for any amount of time knows that we have two of these portable Bluetti solar panels.
Yes.
These are 200 watts a piece. And we take these things everywhere.
They've been across the country.
They have, literally. And we like these because, well, we got 800 watts of solar on the roof of the motorhome.
Yes.
And this 400 watts on the ground typically outperforms the 800 watts on the roof.
Right.
Now, I tried using those here at home with our AC300, but those just aren't enough to keep up with the demands of our house. So we got two of these. Ugh.
Oh, a bigger boy.
Now, they're only about 35 pounds, I think, each.
Okay, yeah.
These are 350 watts a piece. We got two of them.
Oh.
And we got some sun today, so.
Yeah, we actually, look at this. Can you believe it?
I think we should set these up, connect them to the AC300 and see what we can do. And these are absolutely going to go with us when we camp as well.
Yeah.
That way we can have 700 watts on the ground, 800 on the roof.
That's just freaking crazy.
That is insane. Because if these work as well as the 200 watts, then you might not even need panels on the roof.
I know. We love these because you can face them towards the sun. You can move them with the sun as it changes throughout the day. So they really do a great job.
Well, let's plug them in and see what we can get. So in this zippered pocket, we've got the cables and all the specs on the panels. You can see these are the first time we've used these because still got the twist ties on them.
It's probably the first time we've seen the sun since we've gotten these.
In a while, yes. And these legs, they are Velcro and then they adjust with like elastic.
Oh.
Yeah, so you can get the exact angle that you want.
A good angle of the bedangle is.
The angle is very important.
Very. Ooh, now we're talking. Whoa.
That's a pretty good sized portable panel.
Yeah, it is.
I'm not sure what kind of angle I want on these right now. So we'll just set it up and go from there. I'd say in all, this sets up in like a minute.
Right.
Very quick. I'm gonna do these in series. So positive to negative, which leaves you positive to negative. My big long extension, because the AC300's way back there.
Back there in the corner. Boop.
Now this does have two MPPT controllers built into it. That's why you got these four. So I'm thinking we could plug in these two 350s and then we can get the two 200s and make them all work together.
Ooh.
Number one, red, red, black to black. Now let's turn this on. Let's go to AC on. Let's go into the settings and change PV priority. That way it's gonna make the solar panels the priority. 30%, I'm good with that. Now, we need to start turning on some circuits. I'm just gonna turn them all on.
Yeah, that's fine.
We got so much sun today that we're just gonna use everything. Here we go. We got 524 watts coming in on solar, but we're using 1,076.
Ooh, okay,
So we may need some more panels, but getting 523 out of those.
yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, look at how cute those are. They're like
After
babies.
using those, these feel tiny.
They look tiny.
But you know, we've used these things so much.
Yeah. They've definitely earned their keep, that's for sure.
So we're at 522 watts. I have not plugged in the second set yet. Let's see what it goes up to. With all four panels going on both inputs. We're at 922 watts coming in. We're only using 170.
Dang. So we're really putting in a lot more.
So everything we're using, like our freezers and our fridge and everything, which obviously not everything's running right now, but what is powered is being completely powered from the sun and the portable panels. You can see I've kind of turned the panels.
Yes.
They have done excellent. It's been running almost our whole house.
Yeah.
There's some things like the hot water, the hot tub, stuff like that is not
essential
coming from that. But like all the lights and outlets and everything, and the battery's just been at 99%. It's been pulling from the solar panels the whole time instead of the grid. This thing's kind of genius the way it works, because it will only use the amount of solar that it needs and so on, and it'll use grid power when it needs to. But I think for now we're just going to fold these panels up. I'm going to call that a successful test.
Yes.
And we plan on taking those 2 big ones with us camping.
Yeah, we definitely plan to do more testing with these as well for the whole house, and obviously out on the road with the RV.
But what would you guys rather see? Us using them here at the house or using them while camping?
Excellent question. Let us know in the comments what you'd rather see more of, or if there's something specific.
I think for now, we're gonna wash the Wraith because it's bad.
It's a dirty girl. She's a dirty girl. Look at all these bugs. Dirty, dirty, dirty. You can see all the pollen. Yep, all that pollen, because it is springtime, so it's very polleny. Yuck, yucks.
It is.
Piper makes every wash job harder than it should be by biting the hose and demanding it be sprayed right in her freaking face. A lot of you wonder, do we ever wash the roof? And the answer is yes.
Sometimes.
I'm a little surprised you didn't spray me because
I happen to be wearing a bikini. Woo! That is invigorating. Whew.
Where's your Speedo at?
Not on. Just like last year, I'm going to use this Dicor bug and tar remover. See how nasty the mirrors are. I'm going to get the windshield and everything, but starting here.
You're doing a fine job over there, Mr. Wagner.
Good.
The Wraith is almost all done being washed. Did an amazing job, even though it is super sunny. It's not like crazy hot, but when you're standing in the evening sun, it is pretty warm out. There was a point in time where I was just spraying down the Wraith and it was just, all the water was blowing back on me and it felt really, really good.
Look at how clean this baby looks now. Way, way cleaner. Looks good enough to get dirty again next weekend, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next time on Wandering Wagners.
So in total, we have 987 watts coming in.
I mean, come on, it doesn't get much more peaceful than this.